What is AI? Ever wondered why can Gemini chat with you? And how did TikTok always guess what you like?
To get AI, you need to see two big ideas fighting it out: the rule nerds and the data learners.
Rule nerds hard code with if-then, like a judge with rule books. Logical, but lost when things get messy. Like someone says, "Nice job." Are they actually happy for you or low-key roasting you? Try writing rules for every situation. And guess what? You'll lose your mind before the computer crashes.
So the data learners went the other way. No rules. Feed the machine a ton of real stuff and let it figure out the patterns.
Kind of like how you learn to read people's vibes. Hear enough, see enough, and over time your brain just quietly picks it up.
That's the basic idea behind how they learn. What makes them feel powerful is scale. More data and compute than any human could.
But they confidently make things up sometimes, and since we have no idea how they work, fixing them is tough.
So many state-of-the-art AI systems today do both. Let machine learning handle the gut feeling, then use rules and fact checkers to keep them robust.
But beneath all the hype, it all comes down to one question. Is intelligence something given from above or earned from within? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and follow Hatch for more AI native learning.